Hello friends, welcome to Easy. Today we make LCD project how to write the name in the LCD. Now first we open Tinkercad. This is a Tinkercad export and now search the component Arduino UNO, drag and drop here. After that we search LCD 16 cross 2. LCD 16 cross 2 I2c. In the I2c there is only 4 pin. We have to connect the 4 pin connection. GND pin connect to the GND of the Arduino. GND means flag ground. GND means ground negative. Now select flag. Power pin connect to the 5 volt of the Arduino. 5 volt of the Arduino. And SDA pin connect to the A4 of the Arduino. Always remember SDA pin always connect to A4 pin. It's a fixed pin, and SDA pin connect to the A5 pin. That is also a fixed pin. Now the circuit is completed. Now open the code and write the code. Delete this block. Go to the output block and take LCD configuration LCD. You have to see configuration LCD 1 I2c. Increase this block. Now we have to set block, set LCD position. Column means upperward. In the column there is 16 alphabet you can write. In the row only 0 and 1 value. Now second is hello world. In start simulate you can see what is the difference between column and row. Now starting the project, you can see in the upper word you have to write hello world. If you want to change the position of the hello world, you can change the position of hello world, then you can change the column value. Now I have to write column 4. Then you see, then value will be changed. And if hello world is shifted. If you want to write the name in the downward, then you can change the value of row. If I change the value of 1, then you can see hello world is change the position to the downward position. In the row only 0 and 1 value will be put in. Because there is only 2 levels, 1 0 level and second level. In the column we have to write 15, maximum 15. Now I have to write 12. Then you can see, wait a minute, and you can see hello world written in the last one. Now we have to click on the select block. Now click here and duplicate this block. In the starting we have to write hello world, change the value 0 and 0. In second position I have to write my channel name Easy. Now 0 1. In the upper word hello word, in the down word Easy. You can see the value hello world Easy. If you want to change the position, you can also change the position one by one. Row means x-axis and column means y-axis. If you have any problem, you can also comment also. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon button. Then my next video will be notified to you. Stop the code. If you are working in the text, then stop the code and go to the block and block plus text. This is a text. This code also I have given in description. You can download the code, and also I have given the link. You can download this. You can download this library also and include the library in the Arduino IDE. Thank you all friends.